looks different. Oh yeah, I have, haven't I? I have cleared it. Yeah. That's good. The lemon tree's been cut down as well. That's been trimmed quite a bit. There he is.
Very fluffy. Looks solid enough.
Mm. So, has your expectations risen? From what you thought you'd bought?
I knew what we'd bought. I wasn't joking when I said I wasn't sure what we'd bought.
No, what I mean is, you know, what you bought. Yeah, stuff has come out for here, some wood. Some stuff, because there's more stuff in here. They obviously checked through the cases and stuff to make sure they didn't leave anything of value behind. There's some stuff in there, brushes and another table. Tiles, some fancy flowery tiles over there.
I've got to get some tiles that have been broken.
Oh yeah, fancy ones.
That's some to replace the one that's gone upstairs.
It's good. I need to hunt around. Big solid box. Another desk. This one is an actual desk, not a table. This is an actual desk. Another table. All the wood's still here. That's fancy. Fancy doors.
Show it on this wall.
This one.
So that's under the bathroom. This is what's on this bathroom. Just doors and stuff.
Glass. Some more tiles. Big, oh, that's a piece of wood. More doors. This one's closed off.
Yeah.
More wood. It seems smaller than I remember.
Yeah, I think he does a little bit as well.
I don't know why it felt bigger, but it feels smaller than it was. Yeah. Oh, that's good. They did that wall. I assume because it was sisters and all that, they just turned around and said, "You best do that wall up." A wire thingy sticking out of the wall. You know that corner over there.
Yeah, I think they're taking something off around that side, haven't they? Just a bit of a rebar.
What about this light here? Where's that light coming from? Okay. Light. It's got that white wire.
Up there.
Okay. How's that light powered? Or is that not meant to be maybe it's coming from that side. What are you thinking, Mikey?
Some work to do.
Yeah.
Yep.
There's a window out there. That's the
There's
attic.
2 windows. One kitchen window as well.
Yeah. Well, now you just have to find a really big ladder. Can't really tell. That looks new. Wall. Okay, now we need to plan.
Now we need to plan.
Mm-hmm.